Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to our winter wonderland trip here in Vail, Colorado.
Say you love me, say you don't. Just give me something so I can move on. Pull me closer or push me away.
We first took a plane to Colorado and then from there we rented a car and we drove all the way to Vail, and that's where our hotel is. We stayed at the Ritz Carlton, and you guys, I cannot recommend it enough. It is beautiful. You guys will see how breathtaking it was. I also wanted to share the drive up to the mountains to the hotel because it was just so beautiful. All the views were just outstanding, so I wanted to share it with you.
Stay awake till morning. I won't stay another night. If you're feeling something for me, say it now, 'cause I can't wait for you forever.
I am living all of my rustic dreams in this hotel. Everything is just so rustic and beautiful but elegant. It's just so cozy in here. The vibes are incredible in this hotel, and plus it is also like Christmas time, so they have all the Christmas decor. They had some of the fall decor in here as well, so it makes it even cozier.
I've been patient with your love. Sometimes you don't show it easy.
All right, you want to show them the room?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll follow you. Okay, so we have the bathroom this way, which is so cute actually. I love the tub. Cute. And the vanity. The toilet is in here. Carlos is in there right now. And the shower. You have this little coffee station right here when you first walk in. And then you're gonna open the bag. Then you have the bed. The lamps are so cute with the wood details. I love all the wood trim and how rustic it looks. We have a closet over here, pretty cute.
For me, say it now, 'cause I can't wait for you forever. Say it now, 'cause I can't wait for you forever. Cause I can't wait for you forever.
The hotel is dog friendly, so we did see a bunch of cute dogs. This puppy was adorable, and they also have this outside area where everybody just sit around the bonfire, and you can also do s'mores. They give you like a package of like s'mores that you can make. So it is really cute and a very exciting experience for Caleb. He loved every second of it.
'Cause I can't wait for you be the one that truly get me, and I might be the one you really want, and I feel it too, but you don't know what I've.
The next day we headed over to the little town in Vail, and it is so beautiful. You guys will see it in here. It looks like you're in a movie or like an invented world. Like it's not even real because of how beautiful it is. Reminds you of like being in like Switzerland or something like that. I was in love with this town, and I will show you guys as much as I can of it. And we're also gonna go skiing for the first time as a family, so we're so excited, and we will see how good we do, hoping for the best.
'Cause you can start a fire without a spark.
We rented our skiing gear from this little place in the town. It's right in front of the place where you're gonna be skiing at. But now he's measuring Caleb's foot and making sure that the shoe fits the right way. And he did that for all of us. And I have to say, this has been the most uncomfortable shoes I've ever worn.
About that tonight. Just remember the flame. You remember the flame. Alright.
It was now time to go on the lift up to the mountain so we can go skiing. This lift was a little bit scary though. It actually did not stop. You actually had to get on the lift while it was still moving. So with Caleb and the shoes were just making me like slower. So it was a little bit scary, but the drive up the mountain, you guys, was breathtaking.
I'm moving on. I just have to make sure that you know. Would you be there for me if I'm flying straight into the sun? Blinded by the light I'm chasing, that has happened before. And maybe you don't know for sure, but you can start a fire without a spark. Forget what I told you, forget all about that tonight. Just remember the flame, you remember the flame. Alright. Forget what I told you, forget all about that tonight. Just remember the flame, you remember the flame. Alright.
So as expected by me, we did pretty terrible the first time skiing. We really didn't know what we were doing. It was just a little bit, we were awkward, you know, but this is the first time. We'll probably do better a second time when we come back. But we're walking around to find a restaurant. This is full of restaurants in here and stores. Everything that you're looking for, you're gonna find it. And then we're gonna head out to the hotel and change so that way we can go to the skating rink.
We watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before. We look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars, like so many times before. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. If you stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. We were
Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you liked. This was mainly a relaxing trip for us, so we did a lot of relaxing and we had a really good time. I totally recommend our hotel to you guys if you're planning on coming here to Vail. It was beautiful, the service was good, everything about it was good, so you guys can come in here and I know that you guys will love it, especially on the holidays. It is beautiful with all the Christmas decorations. I will see you guys in my next video. Stay tuned, subscribe if you're new so you don't miss future uploads, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. If you stay. If you stay. If you stay. No, you're gone in the morning. sun go down over the same old town.